You're in a situation where you need to deliver letters. Maybe these are honor award letters or letters about testing that need to go home. You want to deliver letters during a homeroom period, during a first period, or just to a regular classroom. Another reason you might find this useful is if you want to file some paper documents and you want to file by a certain teacher, room number. This is how you start. First, you need information from your student information system about the student's room number. So we have here their last first name. The student number is really important because it's a unique identifier. You might have more than one student on this list with the same last name or the same first name, same full name, but you won't have two students on this list with the same ID. Then you need a list of students who are being honored or students who have the letters for whatever reason, and it's important here also to include their student number. We're going to use a formula that Excel has called a VLOOKUP or vertical lookup. I like to organize both of my sheets in the same document on different tabs like this. We'll go to the Fall Honor Students tab and type in equals VLOOKUP to initiate the formula, and then Excel kind of tells you what happens next. We want to look up the value in C2, which is a student ID. Where are we going to look it up? The table array is asking us, where do you want me to search for that information? Well, we're going to search in this other tab. Because I have a space in the title of the tab, 8th period, I have to enclose that title in single quotes, 8th space period, and then the exclamation point at the end tells Excel that that's a different sheet it's looking in. Now, what column and index number do I want it to look through? Well, what we're trying to match is we're trying to find that student number over here, and what we want to return is the room number right here. So we're going to go from C1 all the way down to E51. So equals VLOOKUP, and then C2 is what I'm looking for on the other sheet. This is the name of the sheet. $C, $1 through, the colon is through, $E and $51. That's the whole array that I'm looking in for this information. Once it finds a match, what column do I want it to return? So if I go back over here, every time I go back over here, my array started in this column, so this is going to be column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3. So since the room number exists in column 3, I'm going to put a 3 here because I want it to return the information in column 3, which is the room number. And then it wants to know if I'm open to, if I want an exact match or a near match. And I want an exact match, so I type false here. Then I hit enter, and you can see that Olivia, Alabama is in room 112. And now all I have to do to continue this formula throughout is see this little dark square in the corner of the field. You just put your cursor over it till the plus appears and double click, and it calculates the formula down through the end of this column. This is why it's important that I put the dollar signs in this formula so that it wouldn't change as it went down the column. Now what you can do if you want to is you can go up to data and you can sort. You can sort by first by room number, smallest to largest, okay, and then I want to add a level. I want to then sort by student's last name, A to Z, and now everything's in order. All the 112s are together, all the 120s are together, and you should be good to go. Good luck.